Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your flight number on Esky. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to go ahead and open up or launch your Esky web application, which of course I have done right here. How to get into the space. First off, launch any browser of your choice. Once you do that, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type esky.com.ng, and that's going to take you to the official website for Esky. Once you get right there, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on the login option. Once you click that in, follow through with the on-screen prompt to sign in. And once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Esky. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, how to check your flight number on Esky. Now, I'd like you to know that you can find your flight number right there on your flight ticket. There are two ways to go about this, and I'm going to show you right there. At the top right corner of the screen, you're going to find your profile. So click on that. You're going to see My Bookings, Co-Travelers, Payer Details, Price Details, Account Settings. Now go ahead and click on My Bookings. So now that we're here, it says your adventure awaits you. Book a trip and okay, you'll find. So once you book a trip, here you'll find information about purchase flight tickets and accommodation and of course insurance. All right, so once you get to My Bookings, if you have booked a flight, you're definitely going to find all of your tickets here or all of the information, your flight information here, including your flight ticket. All right, and once you click on your flight ticket, you're going to find all of the details, including your flight number. So that's one way. And then the next way, I'm going to go all the way back and scroll down to the support deck. So we are right here under this category. Go ahead and click on support and contact. And once you do that, it's going to take you here. Scroll all the way down. So here it says with your account, you can easily check your booking number, all of these. I've shown you how to get that done. But this is the second way. Just go all the way down to contact form. And here where you find this category, click on this drop down menu and click on flight. And then right here on the message topic, go ahead and click on booking and payment status. Now once you do that, it says use this form if you have not received the booking and payment confirmation to your email address, right? This is the exception. Now go ahead and fill out your first name and surname, your phone number, your email, booking number, trip start date, and ensure that all of the details are correct. And right here in your message, just let them know that you want to find your flight number. And then once you do that, go ahead and check this box, all right, to agree to the processing of personal data provided in the form, and check this box to ensure that you are not a robot. And once you're done, click on the send a message option, and it's gonna send a message to Esky. Now check your email. Of course, you're gonna respond to you via mail. Give them some hours, you're gonna respond to you. Now follow through with all of these processes from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.